Aloha, you got Lanai with another edition of Wikibites presented by Tulip Luncheon Meat. Yes, good stuff. We're going to show you how to make today Tulip Chow Fun. And we got to thank the Chinese for the Chow Fun. You know, Hawaiians and locals from Hawaii, we all love our noodles. And this is one of the special noodles that you would always find back in the day when you were growing up at all the ice cream shops or the places where you would get snacks. And Chow Fun got its name because it's fun, I guess. But it's a thick noodle like this. And what I got going is I got a frying pan going with some oil. I'm just gonna put some ginger in there. I'm gonna get this going. I'm just gonna cut this tulip in little slices like this. And this is gonna be our protein for our Chow Fun. Original Chow Fun, they would use char siu meat, which was, you know, like a roasted pork. We're substituting it today with, of course, tulip. It's really good. The kids love this. Chinese came to Hawaii in the late 1700s, and they were coming to trade sandalwood with King Kamehameha I, and they introduced us to a lot of different things. Noodles, of course, was one of the big, and rice was another big one. And we eat a lot of noodles different ways here. We have what we call saimin, which was right before ramen was invented, which was shrimp base. So we were introduced to so many different types of noodles. So I'm just gonna saute that a little bit with the ginger. That smells really good. The aroma is amazing. And you wanna get the tulip a little bit brown, crispy if you like. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the noodles. All right, these are already pre-cooked. You can buy the noodles like this already. We're gonna take some shredded vegetables, celery. We'll start off with some celery first. And then we're gonna do some shredded carrot. Sprinkle it in there. The magic sauce is the oyster sauce. I'm gonna put some oyster sauce in there. And you only need a little bit. That tulip is nice and salty, so it's gonna give us all the salt we need when making the Chow Fun. And you're just gonna fry this up like this, like a fried noodle, basically. So a big wave of Chinese came to Hawaii during the sugar plantations in 1852. About 30,000 Chinese single men came to Hawaii. So the food really started to change here in Hawaii, and that's why we have so many different types of Asian foods from the Chinese, and then the Japanese came in the early 1800s. Koreans and Filipinos came. By 1900, we had 400,000 immigrants living and working here in Hawaii on the sugar plantation, and that's how these amazing foods came about. Everything was just kind of changed then, the whole menu of Hawaiian food, because at the beginning, Hawaiian food was very basic. So, you know, some people get confused and they think this might be Hawaiian, but it's not. This is Hawaiian style. And you're just gonna let it get warmed up here and get it in that oil with the tulip, all right? I'm gonna add some green onion, just for some color and flavor. Let that sit for a little bit. All right, so you're gonna let that go for about 3 or 4 minutes. So you're gonna turn off the fire here, and we're just gonna get some plated. Really good, quick recipe to make. You notice the noodles are a little thicker, almost like a fettuccine noodle. It's a very popular dish here in Hawaii. Once again, Chow Fun. Enjoy.